Hi, my name is Giandomenico De Tullio from De Tullio Law Firm. If you have inherited assets or property in Italy and are unsure how to proceed, I hope you will find this short video helpful. Managing cross-border succession procedures is a very sensitive and intricate task which really demands the involvement of an experienced professional. I would always recommend that you engage the services of a competent and independent lawyer, someone you have chosen to represent your interests. A bilingual lawyer in Italy, specialized in inheritance law, can help you manage all the complexities of the Italian inheritance procedure. An Italian inheritance has to be formally accepted or rejected. Before accepting any assets, you may wish to make sure they are unencumbered by debts or mortgages. If you decide to accept, this can be done tacitly or explicitly. Explicit acceptance means you or your representative through a power of attorney will sign an acceptance deed which needs to be authenticated by an Italian public notary. Tacit acceptance of an inheritance will be deduced from your behavior. If you act in a manner that implies your intention to accept the inheritance, this might, for example, be you disposing of the assets you have inherited. It will be assumed from this behavior that you have accepted the inheritance. If you accept your inheritance within 12 months following the death of the testator, you must file for probate at the relevant branch of the Italian tax authority, Agenzia delle Entrate. The relevant branch is determined by the last domicile of the deceased. Filing for probate is compulsory. Failure to file for probate in the legal time limit will incur financial penalties. Once the probate procedure is complete, you will be able to re-register any immovable assets in your name, and you will be able to access any inherited funds in Italian bank accounts. Prior to this, you will have to pay tax on your inherited assets. Tax is calculated based on your relationship to the deceased and to any other beneficiaries. The total value of the assets involved in the succession is also taken into account. In many cases, at the end of a succession procedure, you may find yourself in a situation of what is known as communal inheritance. You have a shared inheritance with other heirs. If you and the other heirs wish to have a legal division of the inheritance, perhaps you wish to sell your share to one of the other heirs, for example, this may prove to be a difficult and lengthy procedure. You may not live in Italy, so will probably be requested to sign a power of attorney, which is a very sensitive document. Of course, you might wish to get a family member to help you, but unfortunately it is not unusual because of misunderstandings, vested or conflicts of interest for this to go wrong. Again, your own lawyer could help you with this. If you would like more detailed information, please take a look at our Italian succession guide, which you can find on our homepage. For assistance with your case, please contact us directly at De Tullio Law Firm, your Italian property and inheritance lawyers. We look forward to hearing from you.